cucumber. We are going to make a cucumber side dish today in Korean, Oi-bokkeum. It's the temple-style sauteed cucumbers. When I visited Korea a couple of years ago, I stayed in the temple. And then the monk Won-hye prepared nice lunch table for us. This is one of the best meals that I ever had. This 오이볶음 was one of the side dishes along with 된장찌개, amazing. And also their mushroom. Each dish was very simple but very nutty and kind of really delicious. They don't add some garlic or green onion, and so that we can taste just the flavor of each ingredient. This is very simple and fast. Let's get started. I prepared 1 pound cucumber. This is a seedless cucumber. Slice thinly, like a paper cut. Remove the tips. Now I'm going to put all this here into the bowl. 1 teaspoon salt and mix. I salted this cucumber for 10 minutes. I'm going to squeeze out all excess water. Squeeze. Look at that, a lot, more than half a cup. See? Nice. Toasted sesame oil, about 2 teaspoons. 1, 2, and mix. Turn on the heat. Like this. Oh, smells good. Everything is shiny. So I'm going to add later 2 teaspoons sesame seeds. Toasted sesame seeds. 1, 2. Temple cuisine, they add a lot of toasted sesame oil and sesame seeds to make it tasty. They grind very finely. And add half a teaspoon salt. Okay, turn off. That's it. If you cook too long time, I don't want this to cook fully. Just a little saute. Saute means jumping. This cucumber, all wheels are jumping. And then we are going to add this sesame seeds. Look at that. Let me taste. So crunchy and delicious. Serve this as a side dish for rice. Also make bibimbap with rice and some gochujang, sesame oil, and mix. So good. Today I showed you how to make Korean temple style sauteed cucumbers, 오이볶음. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.